Yo, what's up, fam? How you guys doing today? Do you notice something? My audio is finally mixed. Well, I found a little hack from my audio to go well with this camera that I have. All right. So without further ado, in this episode, if you may say, we're gonna cover how you can create those dope looking Instagram stories that you guys always liking and commenting and start sending me the messages that, oh, it looks so cool. So I'm gonna tell you how I actually make them. So without further ado, what you're gonna do is you're going to download Adobe Spark Post, this one right here. So once it's done, well, it will give you the templates that you can use. They're like unlimited templates. But let's say if you want to create your own post, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on plus sign, choose photo gallery. Let's say this one. Okay, I want to go with this. Alright, add. It gives you like different kind of platforms that you wanna post on. Let's say Pinterest, if you want it for Facebook, Instagram landscape, but we're gonna go on Instagram story. Here you can adjust the scale of the photo or the post that you're gonna use. So I'm gonna use this one. So I think about in center is about good. Hit done, and then if you want anything, like if you want to add something like a text or something saying I don't know, let's say Godzilla, since my background is Godzilla. So I'm gonna write that, and then I can change the colors as well of my fonts. Shape, you can select the shapes down here, like what kind of shape you want to go with. So I'm gonna go with this one. Nah, actually I will go with this one. No, I don't like that. I'm just gonna go with plain Godzilla. Just on the right, on the left hand side, I'm gonna go back to the colors and I'm gonna select my colors. I think I like that one because that kind of goes along with the background as well. So once it's done, I'm gonna add some animations. There are pretty good animations, like if you want this sparkling effect, you can go with that. If you want to go with the it's going to change the colors, you can go with that. Text fades, it's just going to in a more like a cinematic move, it's gonna just spark like in front of the screen. This one is more like actually I like this one. It comes from the left, from right to left. If you don't want to animate your fonts, what you can do is you can also select how you want your picture to look like. So like this one, it goes from like zoom out to zoom in. You can also swap if you want it from the zoom in to zoom out. Actually, I like that one more. So once you have selected, you press done and you click on save and then video animation, and it's going to say creating videos, and you're just going to save the video. So it's done. I'm going to go into my posts. And there you go. That's how it looks like. Beast, right? Yep. Beast. Alright. Well, that's it for today. I hope everyone enjoyed it. That was just a little tutorial that I wanted to share. Hopefully everyone is fine and having a great day. And if this night by your side, hope everyone having a pleasant evening. So see you. Keep supporting. Good luck. Bye. Love you.